my name is Audrey. I'm training manager at Campus and Tochier. In this video, I am going to show you how to place an Axiom BL implant, rect profile, diameter 4, length 10, using the Axiom drill stop kit. This ergonomic kit makes the dental surgeries safer and quicker. Ready? Let's go! As you can see, the Axiom drill stop kit is very convenient to control the drilling depth. The intuitive color code and the direct manipulation with the contriangle facilitate the use and save time. I hope you liked this video and I wish to see you soon for another campus video tutorial.